Okay, so I've already braided my hair into the individual braids. I have a total of 30 braids, and I use the Murray's Edge Wax to slick down the base of the braids of my hair to hold my hair. And all I'm going to need for this hairstyle is a crochet needle, and I'm using this hair from Freetress. It is their Waterwave hair, 22 inch, in the colors 2 and 27. I'm going to be doing something a little different. Half of my head is going to be 27, and then the other half is going to be the number 2 color. I wanted 1B, but it was sold out. But anywho, I just want to do something different for this hairstyle. So what I do is I take 2 strands of the Freetress hair, fluff it out with my thumb, and then I slide the crochet hook in the base of the braid, connect the hair to the hook, pull the hair through the braid, and pull one side of the hair through the braid. And then I am going to wrap the hair 4 times around the base of the braid and the rest of the Freetress hair. And then there are 2 methods on how to do butterfly locks. So the first method is super easy. All you would really do is just wrap the hair pretty loosely around the braid, and that's it. And later on, I'm going to show you the thumb method. But this method is probably the easiest for people just to do. And then when I get towards the end of where I want the lock to stop, I twist the hair back up the lock like so, and I twist all the way. Mind you, I also fluff the hair out a little bit more as I wrap it back up, just so that the hair is a little bit more feathered. When I get to the top and start wrapping the hair completely around the lock, because that's how I seal the lock. I wrap the hair until it's one little tiny piece around the lock, and then when I'm done, I palm roll it. So again, I started doing the 2 pieces one by one because it was getting too messy trying to pull both of them in the braid. But anywho, so again, I wrap the hair 4 times, 3 to 4 times around the base. Now this is the thumb method. So what I do is I place my thumb on the hair, and then I wrap the hair 2 times above my thumb, and then as I slide my thumb out, I wrap the hair below the loop. So one more time, put my thumb down, wrap the hair 2 times above my thumb, and then as I slide my thumb out, that is when I wrap the hair underneath. So that's the thumb method. You know, either way works. The thumb method may be a little bit more, precise. You have more control over how it looks if you do the thumb method. You have control of where the loops go, as opposed to just wrapping it loosely around the braid. So it's all up to you. Do whatever is the easiest way for you. And another tip that I have is that if you feel like your lock looks a little too distressed, you can take another strand of the Freetress hair, fluff that hair out a little bit, and then wrap that hair around the lock, just as you would as if you were starting a whole new lock. And when you get to the bottom, just wrap the hair back up, just like you would do with a normal lock, and then palm roll it. I do that either to fix the faux lock, like make it look a little less distressed, or I do that just to seal in the locks a little bit better. And I actually ended up doing that to all of the faux locks off camera. So again, that's up to you. I would highly suggest doing that. It definitely, cleans up the look a little bit more, and it gives you a little bit more security. Other people do use nail glue when they wrap the hair all the way. They'll put the nail glue on the lock and then palm roll it. I didn't have nail glue at my ready, so I couldn't do that. But this method works just as fine. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna leave y'all alone now. You can watch me do my hair, and I'm shutting up. Okay, you guys, that is how I got these butterfly locks. Definitely check out my other butterfly lock video that I've done a couple of months ago. I'll link that somewhere in the video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.